hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun.